retainer connector and safety retainer. Hi, welcome back. Let's check out together a retainer connector and safety QA retainer. As you see, the shape of retainer connector is quite strange look. It can't be used alone, but can be connected with a safety QA retainer. You could use safety QA keeper instead of gatekeeper, which has a metal clip. Even though it does not have a metal clip, it is still strong enough in average 60 kg. It can be locked and it can be opened by pushing in and up the sidebar. Safety QA retainer can be assembled with a variety of hooks. If you have a webbing loop, you could put it and lock. For example, you could attach a small bag in the ring and replace it easily when the hook is broken. Here is another example to attach a second bag to a big bag securely. Connect the other side of safety QA keeper to a big bag anywhere you want to place it. Then, you could see how much strong and secure it is.
If you are interested in this new buckle and have any question, please email to below address. And also visit Woojin website. You can find more variety option from it. As always, Woojin buckle will fuel your desire to create better products.